Hello friends, in this video I will show you what means this two button. This button is a handle brake electronic, and this button is the button car hold. When we drive car in a traffic jam, we use gas and brake. The foot can be adjusted to prevent this happening. When we press brake hardly, the car is stopped. When we press brake lightly, the car still moving forward. That's what this button is for. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.